Join me as I take on the challenge of finding my path to hope again, and see if I can discover the light at the end of the tunnel. Hope is the spark that ignites the fire within us, giving us the courage to keep moving forward even in the darkest of times. It's what drives us to overcome challenges, to push past our limits, and to believe in a better tomorrow. Without hope, we'd be lost, stuck in a sea of despair with no direction, no purpose. So, it's no wonder that finding hope again is crucial to our well-being, our happiness, and our very survival. Have you ever felt like you're drowning in an ocean of hopelessness, with no lifeline in sight? Like the weight of your struggles is crushing you, suffocating you, making it hard to breathe. You're not alone. Many of us have been there, feeling like we are stuck in a never-ending cycle of pain, fear, and anxiety. It's a suffocating feeling, like there's no escape, no way out. And it can be overwhelming, making us wonder if we'll ever find our way out of the darkness. It's easy to get caught up in the negativity, to let it consume us, to believe that we are not good enough, that we are not worthy of happiness. But the truth is, we are. We are worthy of love, of joy, of peace. And we can find it again. We can find hope again. But first, we have to acknowledge the pain, the fear, the anxiety. We have to face it head-on, confront it, and let it go. It's not easy, I know. It takes courage, vulnerability, and a willingness to let go of the past. But the alternative is a life of hopelessness, of feeling stuck, of feeling like there's no purpose. And I don't want that for you. I don't want that for me. I want us to find hope again, to find the light at the end of the tunnel, to find our way back to living a life that's full, rich, and meaningful. In my own journey, I've found that hope can come from unexpected places. A kind word from a stranger, a beautiful sunset, a good cup of coffee. These small things can spark a sense of hope, of possibility. And then there are the big things: therapy, support groups, meaningful conversations. These can be the catalyst for real change, for real healing. The key is to find what works for you, to find what ignites that spark of hope within you. I've also learned that hope is not a destination, it's a journey. It's a choice we make every day, every moment. We can choose to focus on the negative, or we can choose to focus on the positive. We can choose to let fear and anxiety rule our lives, or we can choose to face them head-on, to confront them, and to overcome them. One of the most powerful moments of realization for me was when I understood that hope is not the absence of pain, it's the presence of courage. It's the willingness to keep moving forward, even when it hurts, even when it's hard. And that's a powerful thing. That's a game changer. Because when we choose to focus on hope, on the light at the end of the tunnel, we open ourselves up to a world of possibility, a world of healing, a world of growth. So, what's the key insight, the moment of realization that can inspire you to take action and seek hope in your own life? For me, it's this: hope is a choice. It's a choice to believe in ourselves, to believe in our worthiness, to believe in our ability to overcome. And it's a choice that we can make every day, every moment. We can choose to focus on the positive, to focus on the good, to focus on the hope. In the end, finding hope again is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, patience, and perseverance. But the reward is worth it. The reward is a life that's full, rich, and meaningful, a life that's guided by hope, by courage, and by the belief that we are worthy of love, of joy, and of peace. Thanks for joining me on this journey of finding my path to hope again. If you're struggling with hopelessness, I want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your story. And if you want to learn more about personal growth, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll dive deeper into the strategies and tools that can help you find hope again.